HutchinsonHTMarket.com with the new HT Design Clark. We've got one of them set up. I'm going to set up the other one. Basically, this is a high back, motorized recline, balloon lumbar, power recline seat, and this is the back of the seat with the motor. You're going to basically take the power cables out first and put that down there. Right down here is the lumbar and then the motorized recline. So we're going to keep that out of here like that and connect them after we attach the back. So we're going to remove these. Let's see if I can do it. So let me make sure this stuff is in. I think I'm on there. Am I on there? I think so. Yeah, it's clicked into place. So that was surprisingly easy. And then you've got the this goes in here. This is the balloon lumbar, and you just twist this blue thing tight. And then this is the motor cable. So basically then you just plug this right in here. This is the motor headrest into the bottom so the controls work. The balloon lumbar is there. Velcro down the bottom here. That Velcro's on. And then what we're going to do is take the twisty tie off. You got the that's, you know, you got the right product. The HT Design's the best. And you've got I'm going to slide this back into place. That's fine. So next to the other seat. I gotta get the other. I'm gonna plug this in. Only outlet I have is over here. Okay, that's plugged in. It's a little dusty from being on the floor. Inside here is a insert. So just take that. Every one will have an insert for the cup holders. Take those out. These are nice to keep them clean. And then you got a tray table. This will have a pin in here with a wrench. Our showroom model has the larger pin, but it comes with a smaller pin. This is a wood table, and it screws right into here, like so. I guess you use the wrench, but we'll do that later. So that's a wood grain table, a little different than the other tables we've been using. And then keep that there, and then you've got your whoops. And then the controlled cup holders here. Different lights. That's a dimmer. You just hold it down for the other lights. It'll scroll through. But we'll do a demo later. So that's your setup of your HT Design Clark. And we'll do the demo. That's a row of 2 curved. And looks great. Alan Hutchinson, HTMarket.com. Till next time.